Someone just lost 50,000 rupees. In 30 seconds. No OTP. No hacking. Just one tap. Here's the scary part. This scam is so simple. You might fall for it today. UPI scams don't break into your account. They trick you into giving access. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. The setup. You get a call, message, or WhatsApp text. They sound normal. Sometimes even urgent. They might say, "I accidentally sent you money, please return it, or scan this to receive your refund." Sounds harmless, right? Step 2. The trap. They send you a QR code. And here's the twist. Scanning a QR code doesn't receive money, it sends money. When you scan it, your UPI app opens and asks for your PIN. Step 3. The mistake. You think you are accepting money. So you enter your PIN. And boom, you've just approved a payment. To the scammer. No OTP. No warning. Because technically, you made the transaction. Here's how to stay safe. Never scan a QR code to receive money. Never share your UPI PIN, ever. If someone says, "Receive payment," they're lying. And the scariest part? This exact scam is happening right now, while you're watching this. Send this to someone before they become the next victim.